All right, whether it be on the normal YouTube videos or quite frequently on pre-market prep, you'll often hear me mention breaking news. Now, there's a lot of different breaking news, and there's the best breaking news, and today I'm going to talk about that. Hey everyone, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and if you're on YouTube, make sure to ring that bell. Speaking of breaking news, we often have timely information. I want you to be notified as soon as a new video drops. Best way to do that is ring that bell. And again, I think we're still in the middle of an amazing trading market. I mean, since 2016, it has been insane. Share these videos with your friends. There's just unlimited opportunity out there. I want them to know. All right. That being said, I am lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen. If you like these videos, definitely check out the Steady Trade team. You can click that link below. 2 webinars a day, every single day, live, interactive. I answer every single trading question, whether it be penny stocks or real stocks or crypto or NFTs. We're really getting into those lately. Check out the Steady Trade team. All right. So when we talk about breaking news, you might just think I mean, websites, etc. I mean, listen, I love Wall Street Journal. I get breaking news alerts from Wall Street Journal. CNBC has breaking news alerts. Yahoo Finance has breaking news alerts. But when you hear me say specifically breaking news, capital B, capital N, I'm referring to the breaking news chat built into StocksToTrade. Okay, so what is amazing about this is we have 2 analysts with decades of experience each that are monitoring every news feed. I mean, these guys got monitors all over the place. They're crazy fast at this, and they know what is actionable. And that is something, keep in mind, this is proprietary to StocksToTrade that I don't think anybody else has. And what that allows you to do, listen, I love 2022. I love the internet. I love the fact that there is so much financial related information out there, but there's a lot, okay? And especially if you're new, something that we do a lot in the Steady Trade team is we break down the news to kind of see what is actionable and what isn't. What's a fluffy PR? What's a good PR? What's a sketchy contract? What's a big contract? Etc. And especially as a newer trader, which is probably you, that's probably why you're on the channel, you're getting all this stuff. Again, especially if you're going to CNBC or, listen, I love Wall Street Journal, but there's a lot of stuff there that doesn't affect stocks. They're pumping out articles. I mean, all these websites now are content machines. They need you clicks, okay? They need you clicking so they can sell ads. So there's constantly churning stuff out. The bad part about the internet is they got to put out 100 articles a day or they don't get the clicks, they don't get the ads, they go out of business, okay? But what breaking news does is using the human intelligence of the 2 breaking news analysts to look at all these feeds, all these articles, all these data points coming out, and then extract ones that actually move stocks and can actually help make you money, okay? At the end of the day, there's so much out there, especially if you're part-time trading, especially if you're new, the more efficient you can get, the better off. Because if you're sitting there all pre-market reading this stuff and trying to decide, will this move the stock? Won't it move the stock? That's time that you can't get back. And then you're missing the good trades because you're focused on some stock with news that doesn't matter. So definitely check out breaking news. We'll have a special link below. And so many people love it. I mean, I've been using breaking news for a week and it's helped my trading. It's been helpful as a new investor to have alerts for spikes and stocks to research. There's a bunch of clips here. So much activity. Users help out with questions. Keeps me alert and active. I've only been here a week. I love it. And they've got an entire track record of some of the stocks that they have nailed before the move. And ultimately, it's not just even trade ideas. So like something like Uber, okay? You can see Uber halted today because of news pending. You can start Googling that. If you're trading Uber earnings winner last night, all of a sudden it gets halted. Now you're like, why? What's going on? You start Googling, you go to Twitter. Oh, please get off Twitter. Anyway, that's a discussion for another day. But, you start looking at all these places. If you look, the instant Uber halted, it was put in the breaking news chat. You can see here 11:13 8:50 a.m., halted news pending. Then they broke it down. Speaking about earnings, it's very curious if the news would be out to halt this. And then they're going to walk you right through it. So now you can see Uber expects revenues to outpace gross bookings, great growth for financial year 21 through 24, so on and so forth. So now you don't even need to be on the call either. Uber's halted because of the conference call. They're now plucking out the data points that matter. And I just think, I don't know how you could not use breaking news. So let's go back to like me. I mean, I think about before breaking news, I subscribed to, I don't know the exact number, but probably at least 5 websites as well as downloadable like software products that were bringing in this news. And I mean, they're $20, $50. I think one of them might have been $150. It was a curated news feed. Breaking news way cheaper than that. And when you added up all these fees together, I mean, I don't remember exactly, but I bet you I was close to $500 a month in fees just for news, and it was still too much. It still didn't give me what breaking news did. So not only am I saving a bunch of money, I mean, listen, I think, and we should all think of trading as a business. What's one of the best ways, when you're looking at trading a stock? What do you like to see? Hey, they're increasing their revenues, but they're also cutting costs. It's good for business. It's good for your trading business. That $500 that you're not spending for tools that you may or may not even use, that's the other thing. Sometimes I forget I even had them. I'll be like, oh, I need to log into that. So it's like your Netflix account that you don't watch for 3 months, but you still pay for. But it's putting $500 a month in your trading account that you can look to grow. I mean, if you're just, if that's that cost of goods sold going out the door every day in your business, it's now not your working capital. Save that money and get better information. So that being said, click below, check out the breaking news chat. I think once you try it, and again, obviously I'm trying to help you learn how to trade, but this is a little bit of it's a sales pitch at the end of the day, okay? But it's something that I truly, truly believe in, and I don't know how I could go back. I mean, like, if again, say for whatever reason I didn't have access to breaking news chat, again, I'd have to go, it like gives me anxiety thinking about going back and digging through all this stuff when I can see right here, BBIG, Twitter pump, BBIG getting recirculated again, that Shaquille O'Neal's big game weekend party. I love penny stocks. So anyway, Shaquille O'Neal is going on BBIG for a Super Bowl party. That's penny stocks 101 right there. But again, you can see it came in real time. I don't have to find that information. I don't have to figure out why BBIG just went green on the day. I don't have to start Googling. I don't have to go to Twitter. I don't have to go anywhere. I know why BBIG just went green, because of Shaquille O'Neal's big game Super Bowl party. I mean, hey, that's an investment there. BBIG is a trade, not an investment, right? That's a bad dad joke, all right? So anyway, click the link below, check it out, and I really, really honestly think you'll never go back once you start using breaking news chat. All right, everyone, have an amazing day. We'll see you on the next video.